Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Snapchat zoomed in camera. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your Snapchat app. Now once you're inside your Snapchat app, tap on the profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. Once you're inside here, tap on this gear icon on the top right corner of the screen, that is your settings icon as well. And once you're inside here, scroll down, and here under additional services you'll find an option that says Lens Studio. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside here you'll have an option that says tap to reset. Tap on that and then tap on unpair, and then pair the Lens Studio once again, and that should probably fix the issue. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is just go back to the settings and then scroll down, and here under privacy controls tap on clear data. Once you're inside here, tap on clear lenses and clear all lenses, and now tap on the option that says clear cache, and then tap on clear once again, and that should probably fix the issue. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.